Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Hope all you are doing very well, and welcome to the second part of our video for Cointiply. In my previous video, I have discussed about how to create account in Cointiply, and in this video, that means second section of this video, we will learn how to do some surveys or about discuss about some offer walls in Cointiply and how you can earn coin from Cointiply. Let's see. Here is the site, and you can see here different surveys or from different offer walls. And friends, as I have previously mentioned you that here in this site 10,000 coin equal to $1. So and you can withdraw if you can withdraw in some cryptocurrency wallet like Dogecoin, Litecoin, or crypto or Bitcoin, and uh, the minimum threshold for withdraw in Dogecoin wallet is 30,000 coin, that means $3. And friends, here you can see a very exciting way to earn from the site. Here you can play rotel or roll and win, whatever you say. This is very exciting, and let's play. Here is the rules. If you get 1 to 69,000, then you'll get 22 coin, 70 to 89, then 36 coin, and if you are lucky and get more than 99,000, then you will get 280 coins. So let's click here, roll and win. Let's see what happened. Oh friends, first I need to solve the reCAPTCHA. This is very disgusting to me. Let's reCAPTCHA it. They are Google Authenticator. Google use this form of reCAPTCHA to verify whether we are man or robot, whatever you say. This is very funny and interesting. So friends, I'm not robot, and now so click submit captcha and roll. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Oh, sorry. Oh, bad luck. So actually, don't bad luck too much. They provide 22 coin, and I can again play this roll and win after 59 minutes. That means every 1 hour you can play this, and here you can also play multiplayer. This is very exciting feature. Okay, I will show it later. Here you can earn from PTC ads, that means view PTC ad and earn, though they provide they give very lower amount of coins. You can earn some coins from here, but the main ways to earn from Cointiply is from here, earn coin, and from offer walls or complete surveys. These are two ways. So let's go to offer walls first. Here you can see many offer walls. Friends, another thing is that you can also earn by playing games, multiple games. You just need to complete tasks to earn, and complete level 17 to earn. That means you will earn $27 in cryptocurrency if you reach 17 level. These are very exciting. You can enjoy the game and also can earn. So don't miss the opportunity to earn from here. This is very exciting. Now these are some offer walls: CPX, Theorem Research, AdGem, Offer Throw, IT Studio, and these are very exciting. I love this very much. Lots of offer walls, but not every offer walls will be open for you at the beginning, because with earning points you will get your level will be up and you can earn more and you can get more opportunities. So first let's go to here account setting. We just need to setting. Friends, if you have some promo codes you can enter here and can earn some referrals from here. And my username is Steve. Okay, I don't need to change it. Okay, there is nothing especially to change here. Now I'll just click earn coin. Here you can see some hot offer walls. You can also earn by watching videos or watching PTC ads or by playing games. But most important things, friends, another interesting thing is that you can also refer and can earn 20% of the earning of the referral. But most important and interesting thing are the surveys. So I will first go to the CPX research. Let's go there. Whatever you do in the site, they provide very high reward for you. And CPX research is one of the most exciting offer wall in survey world. They provide very high paying surveys in short minutes. In few minutes you can earn many dollar. Oh, sorry friends, maybe there is some problem in IPs. Friends, let's see another offer wall. Another some other earning ways are the install mobile apps. You can just earn by installing apps. Okay, this may take some time to load the page. uh, Minecraft quiz, cartoon quiz, these are some offers. Friends, it's taking some time. You can okay, let's go to revenue universe first. You can see that these are very high paying offer walls. I'll suggest you to visit revenue universe, CPX research and some other here. These are very exciting and very high paying offer wall. You can earn many much more dollar from these sites. Start invest. Okay, sign up for Atkinetler. Okay, if we can use some filter here. Highest paying, you will get highest paying in here. Deposit $50 with Sophie and you will earn 45. Okay, $45. Install Raid Shadow Legend and open 3 scared shards. You can follow this, and if you can fulfill this, then you will earn many more dollar. I will request you to explore this, and in my next video we'll learn how to do some surveys in these sites. So till then, goodbye, see you in next video.